are some ways you can incorporate cinnamon into your diet. 1. Coffee. Start your day off with a cinnamon-infused cup of coffee. Cinnamon is said to balance insulin levels and help with digestion. 2. Oatmeal. Add a dash of cinnamon to your oatmeal for a flavorful and healthy breakfast. 3. Pancakes. Spice up your pancake batter with a dash of cinnamon. 4. Muffins. Add cinnamon to your muffin recipe for a delicious twist. 5. Sweet potatoes. Sprinkle some cinnamon on sweet potatoes for a unique flavor combination. 6. Apples. Pair cinnamon with apples for a classic combination. Sprinkle cinnamon on apple slices and dip them in honey. 7. Granola. Add cinnamon to your homemade granola for an antioxidant boost. 8. Nice cream. Sprinkle cinnamon on top of banana ice cream, also known as nice cream. 9. Cinnamon water ***. Cinnamon water or cinnamon tea can help lower your blood sugar levels. Taking a dose of 1 to 6 grams, roughly 1/2 to 2 teaspoons, of cinnamon per day has been shown to lower fasting blood sugar levels by 10 to 29%. Ingredients: cinnamon,